Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam Re-Captcha Problem. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Steam Store. Open the first website and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, if you try to log in using your account, there may be an error you encounter. To fix that error, click on the three dots menu at top right corner of your screen and select Settings. In the Settings tab, go to Privacy tab. Click on Cookies, and then make sure that Allow All Cookies box is checked. After that, close Settings. And that's how you can fix Steam Re-Captcha Problem. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.